Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Adams Rite part number 26-0398-N-MP. The MP means that this is a package of 10 of their 26-0398N. These are set screws. These are set screws that are used in some different hardware, but really most commonly the 4590 series push paddle or pull paddle. A very typical item. They do work loose with time, and that's why people somewhat regularly purchase these. Luckily, there's thread lock on them, and if you do have a maintenance issue with the set screws coming loose, be sure to use thread lock. That stuff is it is certainly helpful. Let's switch to the screen view so we can take a look at this item and the technical sheet that this item occurs on. So this is indeed the item that we're looking at here. It's a package of 10 screws. That's what the MP stands for, which means multi-pack. When you purchase one, we'll send you a package of 10 screws. Okay, Three links down here to where you'll most commonly find it. 4590 for sure, the most common. 91, and then the 4781. As we scroll down, there's some images that are here that will allow you to take a look and see what it looks like. Now, the document that I like the most for Adams Rite parts is on the manufacturer's page as seen here, and it's the file as seen here, Parts Manual. Pull that document up, we're indeed going to pull up the parts manual. And from here we can do a search on the keyboard, the find function for 26-0398. And what's nice about that is we'll find all of the instances where it occurs. Okay, so here we are, the 4590. There's our part right here. Okay, that's what holds that shaft in, and they do work loose, is just the bottom line. Now what's nice about this document is, well, you might say to yourself, well, okay, these spring clips, those are actually not uncommon either. It's part number 4. There's your part number. A detailed list is here as well on the second page. This happens to be a price list and is quite out of date, even at the time of this video, but we work with what they give us. Then what's nice is you'll be able to go through the rest of the document and find all of the other places where it occurs. The 4591, they may call that their Euro style handle. A little more elegant, curved, a little bit nicer, decorative looking handle, but is the same function as a 4590. Then you've got that 4781, that 2-point locking system. And it's right here. Okay, so really handy to have access to that. Also, I'll point out a link to the manufacturer's website, a link to the full catalog, that obviously all of the Adams Rite products that we sell are here. Other important documents, anything encyclopedic, will end up here. Let's wrap up this video on the camera. I'm a fan of Adams Rite. I like their... what I like most about them is I found them, early in my career, I found them very intriguing. Adams Rite had solutions that no other manufacturer had, this confluence of these somewhat unrelated solutions. They're certainly not unrelated, but of just a unique mixture of material. Exit devices, door close, exit devices, electric strikes, aluminum storefront hardware. But what I like about it a lot too, though, is you can take a lot of their parts and make it work to your requirements. I've done bottom rail deadbolts for exceptionally thick doors, where we have had to place the door in an unusual position from the center line and then laterally, and modify the laminated stainless bolts so that they would enter into a very restricted space in the floor. The point of the matter is you can get very creative with the Adams Rite line. That's number one. Number two, their technical support. They are 100% responsive. I will admit that there are times when I've had to get it took a couple attempts to get the right answer, but I will admit that there are times when I get an absolutely phenomenal, total expert level response. What I asked for and then more on top of it. But what is guaranteed is that they always respond. So that's helpful. They need to be able to do that. Sliding door locks. If you have a boat and you want the rectangular escutcheons on both sides and the lock body that comes out, that's going to be Adams Rite. Fun fact. If you have any questions on the Adams Rite, this is their part number 26-0398N in a multi-pack MP or any other Adams Rite product. Please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.